Imagine you're standing in front of a crossroads, the sun setting just behind you, painting the sky in hues of red and orange. Each path represents a different investment choice you could make. The gravelly crunch beneath your feet is the sound of opportunity, and each step is a decision that could lead you to prosperity or disappointment. This is the landscape of investing, unpredictable, challenging, yet full of potential. Let's start with a story about a friend of mine, Jessica. She once came to me, anxious about investing her savings. "How do I know I'm making the right choices?" she asked. Her fear was palpable, a reflection of the universal worry we all share when it comes to money. The thing about investing is that it's not just about making money. It's about making decisions, smart decisions that align with your goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Investing is much like sailing a ship. You need a destination, which is your financial goal, whether it's a comfortable retirement, buying a house, or saving for a child's education. But even with a clear destination, you must navigate through wind and waves. These represent market volatility, economic downturns, and unexpected events that can shake your confidence. Investment decisions boil down to understanding risk and reward, much like deciding whether to stand in the shallow end of the pool or dive into the deep end. Many new investors are paralyzed by the fear of losing money, a powerful emotion that can lead to inaction or rash decisions. This is where understanding your risk tolerance becomes crucial. It's like knowing how comfortable you are swimming in open waters versus a calm swimming pool. Are you someone who can handle the waves, or do you prefer smoother sailing? There's no right or wrong answer, only what's right for you. Let's talk about the mental model of opportunity cost. Every dollar you invest in one place is a dollar not invested elsewhere. Like a farmer choosing which crops to plant, the choice involves trade-offs. If you invest heavily in technology stocks, you're betting on their growth over, say, traditional industries like utilities. But remember, diversification, spreading your investments across different asset classes, can help mitigate risk, much like planting a variety of crops to ensure some yield regardless of unpredictable weather. Now, fear and greed are two sides of the same coin in investing. Fear can keep you from investing in the first place or cause you to sell at the wrong time, while greed might tempt you to take on too much risk. Both emotions need to be tempered with knowledge and strategy. Imagine fear as a shadow that looms larger than reality. By casting light, educating ourselves about market cycles, historical trends, and sound investment principles, we can shrink that shadow. One technique I often recommend is to have an investment plan, a kind of map that guides your decisions. This plan should outline your goals, risk tolerance, time horizon, and asset allocation strategy. It acts as a compass, keeping you on course even when market conditions change. Like Jessica, who after understanding her risk tolerance and creating a diversified portfolio, could sail through market fluctuations without losing sight of her long-term goal. Also, let's not overlook the power of compounding, often called the eighth wonder of the world by Albert Einstein. Compounding is like planting a tree. Initially, growth is slow, almost imperceptible, but given time, it flourishes. Investing is best approached with a long-term mindset, where patience becomes your most powerful ally. It's crucial to reflect on what wealth means to you beyond just financial security. Is it freedom, peace of mind, the ability to help others, or the enjoyment of life's pleasures? These reflections give purpose to your investment decisions, infusing them with passion and meaning, like the artist who paints not just for the result, but for the joy of creation. As we wrap up, I want you to consider this. The best investment decisions are those aligned with your personal values and life goals. They require not just financial acuity, but self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Investing is as much an art as it is a science, a journey of personal growth as much as financial gain. Next time you find yourself at a crossroads, remember that every decision shapes your path. Take your time to understand the landscape, learn from each turn, and walk confidently, knowing that every step forward is an investment in your future. Reflect on this as you chart your course, letting wisdom and patience guide you on your investment journey.